y'all heard of like those NFTs people started selling, like non-fungible tokens or whatever? I don't know how to say, not necessarily what's the point of them, but like, what is the point of them? It's like you own a photo. I mean, it's like, I get the fact like you can support the artist and everything, but at the end of the day, the artist still has the copyrights to it. I mean, I don't know. I'm about to make some NFTs. I'm gonna see how this goes. I don't know. But what is goody, beautiful people? Welcome to another episode. Today we're actually going to be changing the jack points on this car. We're only going to be doing 4 of them because I believe that there are 6 total. I don't really use the other 2, but I have noticed the ones used the most, around the perimeter of the car, they're actually pretty trashed out. No, I just keep telling myself, it's an 11-year-old, 12-year-old car probably now. Hey, obviously things are gonna break, bitch, whatever. I'm about to show y'all in a second. You don't need a lot of tools to do this and everything. I'm gonna be taking my side skirt off. Just one of them, because the other one, as y'all know, ripped off on the highway. Check out my other video for that. It'll be linked. One of these, yeah, let's get started. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Alright, so I'm going to be changing out these right here, but I don't want to damage this one side skirt that I still have on, so I'm actually going to be removing it. Starting with this screw right here. I'm pretty sure that's supposed to be like a T30 or something, but I got Phillips head. Does everybody else have Phillips head? That doesn't even sound right on a BMW. But, then you got several other ones down here. I believe it's 9 total need to remove. Yeah, I'm going to be replacing that one as well. But let's go ahead and get into it. Really, after that, you just want to get the one side, and smooth. Alright, y'all gotta remember, my car's messed up. But yeah, I was gonna say, smoothly just kind of pry it off. But it looks as if my car was mine just comes right off apparently. Cause my car is broken. My car is broken. But okay.
After that, all you need really is a flathead screwdriver, and you're just going to pry out the old one. Oh gosh. Yep, they literally popped right out. So here's the old nasty one. It's been used several times, you can see. I don't know why it looks like a dog ate it, but it did. I don't know. Just broke that back tab. Here's the new one. And obviously, it's bigger, it's better, or whatever he said. But yeah, you really just shove it up there.
This is my first time taking this off, but should I be concerned about this? Like, y'all see that? Like, that's a dent. Has that been replaced before? Because I didn't hit anything. Alright, so I think I'm about to keep this side skirt off, honestly.
and just wash it down and everything. I'm trying to look honestly for some new ones. Like I said, I broke one. It sits over there. I broke one, and yeah, I mean, hey, we here now, so whatever. So yeah, that is really it. I just thought I'd upload this video to YouTube, show somebody how to do it. It is honestly not that hard. Don't take it to a mechanic or to the dealership to do it. Order mine from FCP Euro, and I will have the link in the description. But before you scroll that far, make sure to click the subscribe button, click the like button, turn on the notification bell, all the other smooth jazz. Peace, stay breezy, stay beautiful. I'm gonna catch you on the next one.